Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to play Monopoly Go with friends without Facebook. So if your friend doesn't have Facebook or if you don't want to add your friends via Facebook, then there are a lot of options to invite them to play with you onto Monopoly Go. So what you need to do is just click onto the bottom part of the screen where you should be able to see friends in there. So onto this section, once you're already in there, you could see that you could invite your friends using contacts. So you could add them as contact in there, just type in their phone number and then click on to continue, or the other option as well, wherein you could go ahead and try to invite them through Facebook. So if you don't want to do with Facebook, there's actually an option for you to add them using a link. So just click onto the share link in there and you should be able to see the different options to choose from to send them an invite using the link that you have and not through Facebook. And that's just basically it onto how to play with friends on Monopoly Go without Facebook. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.